So we finally got some parts from Rock Auto in. This is our timing belt kit. So we got the new belt, and we got the kit part, which comes with the pulleys, and this one came with the water pump. We looked at the prices of the kit with and without the water pump, and we went with the one with the metal and power water pump because it was a better deal to buy it now as a kit. So we get the two idlers, we get a new tensioner, and that's all we need for now. So we'll go ahead and put the timing belt on the engine. Earlier I had mentioned that we were going to do a timing belt because we were at 150,000. So that is the recommended service interval, 150,000 kilometers or 110,000 miles. So at this point, the belt isn't the no start issue, the belt is just basic maintenance.